Do you guys ever have that one phone that likes to freeze up? Because I'm pushing buttons. Okay. So step one of how to get your phone not to freeze. You got to take off the back battery cover. Put the back battery cover back on by sliding it in. And what you need to do next is very simple. Just bring it back to the table wherever you had it. Grab the power. That flew out. See what in the battery came out of. I tried so hard. Try so freaking hard, but I never get in my YouTube video. Come on, please fix this. My mom's phone. She'll kill me if she finds out I did this. Can I have my phone back? No, Mom, I'm working on it. Shoot. She wants it back. Please don't be broken. Well, come on, please. Do I have to do it? Oh, it finally works. The battery just fell up. Basic drop test closed. Basic drop test on the side. Slam dunk test. I got a secondary phone to destroy. Okay. Work together this phone again. Battery won't go on why. Oh, the phone's folded. Well, okay, it's just slide the back. Okay. Son, why don't you answer my phone calls? Oh, you don't love me anymore? Oh, Oh man, I decided to do this satisfying video with my grandma phone. Dumb people on the internet. Yeah, guys, this can just. Wait, guys, this just comes right just up. God must have sent me a godsend. Yeah. Guys, look. Unless this is not what for. Oh no, it's not. You do this to my phone. I do this to you. Okay, let's see if the battery go back in since I slammed dunk it twice. Let's hope this battery still even works. Okay, hold it down. Holy. You. This needs to die. I'm not talking about tomorrow, not tonight. Now. Kill me. Jesus. Oh, wrong phone. This needs. Heck. Okay. Okay. Camera phone's good. Okay. And this had to fix it. I don't know what else. Whoa. 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 Must disintegrate the evidence. Um, 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 um. Okay. I don't think it'd turn on anytime soon if I just, like, maybe kill it. Okay. So I want to get the battery back in. Okay. Okay. Wrong way. Okay, so it's on. Not anymore. Okay. Then what can possibly beat me? Let me pause this. What else can possibly beat me? Was that really worth it? Was that really worth it that I clicked? Was it? Was it really worth that? Oh, come on. These phones are reversed, man. Wait, this phone's about dead. You know what I can do now? Meet your brilliant. Oh. Ow. Does this battery fit? Where the crap did this battery fly? Oh my. It flew way over. Jeez. It flew in the spider webs. Okay. Oh. Am I pressing the right button? Because it's not working. Never mind. I'm just, like always, stupid. Once again, basic drop test. And what do you think they're doing with your grandpa's phone? Mom, it's not what it looks like. I said it's not what. Oh, Jesus. I doubt this camera works. with the mainstream. That was mystery. There, you can do it once. Let's see. Oh, I really thought that camera works. I hit the grass. Well, I think this. I say, you know what I think of this? One of you is. I keep in the grass. You know what I think of this? Finally. Jesus. Okay. Oh, it smells like skunk. Glare practice to be late. Yeah, it's just gonna be. Bye. Bye.